Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my viewers. Welcome once again, and this is a teacher, Michelle, your teacher with a heart. So, just today, I was checking my YouTube channel for I tend to miss out on checking it daily since work for us teachers now in the public school has already started. Hence, I tend to, well, at times forget to check it. But now, as I checked it, I was so amazed for what I've seen. For I noticed that I have 186 subscribers. Thank you so much to all the subscribers, to all my viewers. I really do hope that I have extended all my assistance, all my technical assistance for that matter. I know that this new normal in the academe is really overwhelming. Therefore, I am here doing my best to give you the updated uh, data and softwares, applications that are to be used in our new normal. So once again, I'm really with open ears here. So you can always comment, give me a message, whatever. But you can always give your comments on what you need for me to make a tutorial on. All right. So please do not stop on subscribing my YouTube channel, still under Teacher Michelle. And please also do not forget to visit my Facebook page at under Teacher Michelle. All right? So just don't forget, keep on those comments, keep on those communications with me so that I would know what or which applications or softwares you would need as a tutorial in preparation for the new normal. All right? By the way, guys, please bear with me for nowadays. I am quite busy daily from Mondays to Fridays with my work from home work state, no? So I will really try my best to keep everything up to date. But again, please do bear with me. All right? So thank you so much to all my viewers, to all my subscribers. God bless you all, and always remember to keep safe. Bye.